What's up, guys? Welcome to my brand new video. This might be my first video, so hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, let's get right into it.
Okay, right now we're trying to destroy it with a drill.
We already made a hole.
We already made a hole right there. But now, oh, who's that? Who's that? Is that your parents?
No.
Okay. Now, we're gonna try to find a hammer and destroy. Wait, put it in the phone. I want to drill it. I want to drill it for the video.
Drill it right where I drilled it.
Wait, let's make another hole.
Right. Oh, you're way off.
Oh,
Right there.
right there? Right there? Okay, get your hands off. Get your hands
I'm
off.
supposed to push it down so it's easier. So it won't be wobbling everywhere.
Oh, we're making a hole. This might take a while.
Push! Actually, no. Yeah, we might mess this up. Well, I said it was gonna mess it up, but it's not, because that drills through freaking wooden things.
At
What?
this moment, it basically jammed, so we
maybe
stopped
you
using it. We were gonna drill through the whole thing, but it broke. Sorry.
Just trying to drill?
Maybe because we pressured it too
I
much.
think we pressured it too much. Wait, how about we put it on level 2? Wait, drill. Okay, we broke a drill.
Alright, doesn't matter.
All right.
Let's move
Number
on.
2, we're
Pretend
gonna.
that never happened.
Yeah, pretend that never happened.
We're gonna drop this on the ground really hard. 3, 2, I'm gonna slam it. 3, 2, 1.
Holy. What happened? Was the damage done? Okay. Oh, that looks actually really cool.
And it kind of peeled off right there.
So we kind of like not really that much damage. We just leave no evidence. We should leave no evidence. Oh, the bearing! The bearing fell off. Dude, the bearing went onto the car. Oh, it's not under the car. Where did the bearing go? Oh, it's over here! It's right here! The bearing, dude, these are impossible. Wait, save that. We can maybe make something with that. First bearing? Yeah, we can find it. It doesn't spin anymore. The bearing broke. Alright, this is part 2 because we failed. Couldn't stop recording. Alright. Okay. Something's happening. Yeah, nothing's happening.
It's just you.
Okay, we cut the freaking bearing.
What?
There's a little cut on the bearing. This is right there. So I'm gonna have to like cut. Dude. I'm gonna try to cut off this plastic. This is really hard. It's definitely doing some damage.
I'm sorry that I forgot to add the ending, but make sure to subscribe and like the video. Peace.